Hello everyone, welcome to Santhi Metal eShop. Today we have something exciting to unbox. A bulk order just arrived and we are about to unbox it and restore it in our inventory. Any guesses? Stay tuned. We reveal and restock this must-have product in our inventory. It is quality multiple rat catching machine. Using this we can catch multiple rats at the same time in your home or workplace.
Alright, let's take a look at these traps. Each of these is a durable, galvanized iron rat trap designed to catch rodents safely and effectively. The build quality is strong, ensuring long-term use without damage. Just look at this, a full stock, ready to be shipped. These traps are super easy to use. Let me quickly explain how it works. This is a no-harm, live-catch rat trap, meaning it captures the rat without injuring it. It has a sturdy metal frame with a sensitive trigger mechanism. Once the rat enters and steps on the trigger plate, the door closes automatically, trapping it inside. To use it, simply place a piece of bread, biscuit, or roti inside the trap. Lock the back door, and place it where rats are frequently seen, preferably at night for the best results. These traps are a perfect solution for homes, shops, and even storage areas where rats can cause damage. And the best part, once the rat is caught, you can release it far away without any harm. So, if you are looking for a safe, effective, and reusable rat trap, these are now available at Santhi Metal eShop. Order now and keep your space rodent-free. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product updates. Visit santhimetaleshop.in to grab yours today.